too good.
Sorry, heaven, like I'm in heaven. I told you. I will show you guys how a simit is made, or Gevrek in West Turkey call it. It's bread. It's basically like a roll, but it's dipped in molasses, and then they take it out of the molasses, and then they place it with the sesame seeds, and then they chuck it in a wood fire oven. It's very crispy, as you can see. First I'll show you guys that's how it is. It's nice and hot, just got it out of the wood fire oven. Oh yeah. Definitely crispy. The sesame seeds, it's very nice. This gives a crackle noise in your mouth. And that molasses is very tasty. So the best way to eat it is with cheese. So if you do come to Turkey, the Gevrek and the simit cost you about 1 lira 25 kurush, which is 1.25. It's only about 20 cents, 25 cents, plus the cheese, slice of cheese like that. It's like a 1 lira, so basically you're paying for both 40 cents. It's a great breakfast feed. It's a must try if you do come to Turkey. Must try the Gevrek and the simit. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.